Hello guys, welcome to class. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join two strands of yarn together. So just in case you're working on a project, then you find out that you have only small strands left, you would have to join another yarn to that particular yarn that you are using. So this is how you join two strands of yarn together. So you're going to take the first one, then you're going to place it under the second one. Now you're going to tie it. So you're going to take the second one as well, then place it under the first one, then tie this as well. So once you're done with that, you're going to drag the two sides together. Then this is what we have. So you're going to take your scissors, then cut. Now this is what I have. So let's say, for example, I'm currently working on a project and my yarn, this is what I have. So I'm going to have to join a new yarn to this one I'm currently working on. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to place this way, then I'm going to take the strand from the other yarn this way. So I'm going to take this one, then go under the first one. So take this one, then go under. Now tie it. Make sure you tie it very tight. So I'm going to take the second one, then go under this. Then tie this as well. So I'm going to pull the two together. So you can see how tight it is. The next thing I will do now is to cut this one by the side. So this is what I have. So now I can continue with my project down with the new yarn.